how to create a box in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a box in Notion to organize your content better. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any important steps. So, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your browser and type in notion.so to head over to Notion's homepage. Once you're there, click on the login button usually at the top right corner. If you've already signed up with Google, just click Continue with Google and pick the account you use for Notion. That'll take you right into your workspace. Once you're in, choose the page where you want to add this box. You can either create a new page or open an existing one, it's totally up to you. Now scroll down or click anywhere on the page where you want the box to appear. This is where we'll use a slash command to create the box. Type /callout in the empty text area. You'll see an option pop up for a callout block. Click on that. Boom, there's your box. This callout block acts like a customizable container which you can use to highlight notes, organize info, or make things stand out visually. You can now add text, icons, or even change the background color of the box by clicking the little colored square on the left. Want to move some existing content into the box? Just hover over any block like text or images. Grab the 6 dots that appear on the left and drag that block right into your callout. It'll snap inside the box like magic. This is perfect for grouping ideas, creating sections, or even designing a mini dashboard right on your page. You can add multiple blocks inside a single callout and make it as detailed or as simple as you like. It's all about making Notion work the way you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it. You've now got a neat, customizable box in Notion that can help you stay more organized and keep your workspace clean and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.